is up, everybody, to the first tutorial of Coding Cyborg. I'm so happy you came here, and today we're going to be talking about, in Python, variables and input values and if statements. 3 in 1. Wow. Okay, so we're going to be using Python. The reason why I picked Python is because it's like a commonly used language, one, and it's not like those dead languages. Like, if I just say, hey, learn C++. Weird. I don't think anyone uses C++ anymore. Okay, and second reason is because it's an easy language and it can build your foundation. So maybe after you master Python, we could teach you, let's say, I don't know, Java, stuff like that. Even if you do like comparisons like Python versus something like Java. Where's that comparison I was looking for? No, they doesn't have it with Java. What about Python versus Lua? Here, this is the comparison. See, look, which companies use these tools? Python uses Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, Uber. Wow. Well, Shopify, Close, Thumbtack, and Calm. Okay. So now let's get straight into the point. Downloading Python. So you want to go to the website, link in the description, or you could just type in the link by yourself. It's not a long link. You just do python.org. And then we can scroll down, hit latest, then go down to files. Now it depends what operating system you have. So you can go ahead and check in settings. So if you have a Windows computer, which I do, then you would check if it's a 32-bit or 64-bit. And then if it was a 64-bit, then I would click this one. For Windows, I was pointing to the Windows embedded package. That's actually I don't think that's the one you're supposed to do. So yeah, instead pick the Windows installer. If it's a 32-bit, I would click this one. But if you're on Mac OS, then you would have to check if you had a 64-bit Intel installer. No, if you had a 64-bit Intel or Universal 2. So I'm not sure if this is right, but I'm guessing it is. I don't know that much about Mac. So now you're gonna hit this installer. No, you're not gonna hit it. I need to hit it. Okay, mine is downloading. I'm gonna open it. Okay, you can see it. So I'm gonna hit install now. Whoa. Before you do that, just want to let you know that on the on the install Python thing, it's going to have this thing at the very bottom that says add Python to path. I need you to check that because we're going to be using it on the path for other tutorials. And if you don't, that's okay. You can manually do it or reinstall it. But to make things easier, just do it. Okay, it's installing. Setup was successful. Okay, now that we've downloaded Python, I want you to go ahead and open idle, my newest version, and I want you to go ahead and hit save. Right, and then I want you to name it whatever you want. I called it Pizza Place Tutorial 1. Okay. So now we're gonna start. So I want to know, have you ever heard of the print stuff? Like print hello world. That's some basic. I don't want to teach it, but I guess I have to. I mean, not teach it, but it's really. I'm just gonna go over it really quick, then we'll move on. Because I want to start off with input values, expressions, and if statements. Okay, so hello world. So what does this do? This prints on the output hello world. We could use a lot of print values, but instead of print values, I like to use input values. Here's why. Let's say we were asking a question like, how was your day? We don't know how's your day, because it just prints it, and it doesn't store it anywhere. It's a problem. But if we do this, x equals input there. That means the output to this answer, the answer slash output is x. So print your day was x. Okay. So you see how I put them two together? Now if we go ahead and run it. Okay, if we go ahead and run it. How was your day? Oh, I forgot something. So we forgot to do something which gives the user space. We have to put that space right there. Whenever you're asking a question, you have to put a space at the end. How was your day? Good. Your day was good. Now let's try doing bad. How's your day? Bad. Your day was bad. Okay. So I think you guys get it, so let's move on. So now what we're going to do is we're going to try with an if statement. So I'm going to delete the print thing, and then I'm going to try and insert an if statement. So I'll say if maybe you say good, then, okay, I'm doing it right now. Wait, am I? Yeah. Okay, I'm going to say if, wait, why did I say of? So if x, whatever variable you have, equal to, see there's x, then I'm going to say yes. Wait, I need to say good, but me doesn't know that because I'm in editing mode right now. Because I accidentally muted my mic during the thing. Okay, so that yes, then print. I'm glad your day is good. Make it good. Okay, let's run it. I'm telling you, it's not going to work. Okay, good. Yep. Silly me. You need to fix that. So we have to change yes and no to good and bad. So why am I running it? Oh, I'm not. Okay. Change that to good. And guys, I'm going to try my best to not make this happen because this is very weird. Okay, bad. There. Now let's run it. So I'm going to say, how's your day? Good. I'm glad you think today is a good day. Okay. Let's run it again. Now I'm going to say bad. Why do you think it's a bad day? Well. Okay, so I think you understand it from here, so let's move on. Okay, so let's start. So welcome equals input. Welcome to Joe's Pizza Place. Okay. I'm going to say, would you like to order a pizza? Let me finish that. Okay. I have to add that space, remember? Okay, so I'm going to say, if welcome equal to yes, then colon means yes. Then size equals input. Do you want one slice or a whole pizza? Now I'm going to make it easier for them by saying type 1 for one slice and then type, wait, why am I misspelling this? And then type 2 for a whole pizza. Type 2 for a whole pizza. Okay, gotta add that space. Now I'm going to say if size, wait, why am I not typing? Yeah, I am. If size equal to 1, then print if you want. So since this is very basic and we're starting off and this is the first tutorial, making it easy by limiting it a lot, but still, like, there's no tax, there's no toppings. So, like, if they want toppings on their pizza, call us and give us your order. No, I don't want that. No order ID. Could we get rid of that, please? Okay, thank you. Call us, that's all. Would you like to check out? Okay. They're going to say cart equals, we have to say how much we want to cost. I'll say $4.99. And plus that print, it has to be, let's name the variable. Okay, so I just realized that we need to do if size equals 2. If size equal to 2, then we're going to paste the same thing. Just copy that. No, there. Let me copy that. Then we're going to paste it. Okay, now we're going to say cart equals, like, let's say a price, maybe reasonable, like $9.99. No, $10.99. That's a good price. I don't know prices for pizza, so you can say if you want, hey, that's too expensive, or hey, that's too cheap. Okay. So now, I think this is the part where I realized that that print can't, it is. So let's call it check out equals input. No, I don't have to copy it. I can just go up here and say check out equals input. Now let's continue. What's next again? Yeah. So now what we're going to do is say if checkout equal to yes, then just say print subtotal equals input total equals input. Then we're going to say subtotal has been calculated. Would you like to check out or place your order? Yeah, we already checked out. Say if subtotal equal to yes. Now I don't care about the checkout equal to no, or the subtotal equal to no, because too bad if you don't want it. Now we're going to say your order total is, then we're going to have comma and say cart. Now you see how I added the comma at the end? The reason why I did that is since we're still continuing, so I have to add the period and then say thanks for choosing Joe's Pizza Place. Now we can run it. Oh wait, have a nice day. Okay, so now we can run it. Okay, welcome to Joe's Pizza Place. Would you like to order a pizza? Yes. Do you want one slice or a whole pizza? Type 1 for a slice, type 2 for a whole pizza. 2. You want toppings on your pizza? Oh, yes. Would you like to place your order? Okay, your total is $10.99. So that's all basically. So thanks so much for watching. Hope you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial tomorrow.